Hello and welcome to Pink Cloud. Winter is a magical time in nature, transforming the world into a quiet, snowy fairy tale. But beneath this beauty lies a quiet struggle. For the smallest birds, finding food becomes a daily challenge. With the ground frozen and hidden under snow, their tiny beaks search tirelessly for seeds and insects that are no longer easy to find, and finding food becomes a daily struggle. You might see tiny birds pecking through the snow, searching for anything to eat, often with no luck, and many will not survive the cold season without help. Watching them out there in the cold made me want to do something small to help. In this video, I hope to inspire you to share a little warmth and kindness with our feathered friends during the cold winter days. Because even the tiniest act of care can mean the world to a tiny bird. Let's begin with the tutorial. Take a container where you can spread out the bird food. I will be using a paper plate. If you don't have bird food, you can also use seeds you may already have at home, such as pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, or similar. Use your hand to spread the seeds evenly so the surface is nice and flat. Now, take a toilet paper roll and use scissors to make the necessary holes. You will need a total of 6 holes, 2 for the string that will hold the feeder, and 4 more for the sticks where the birds can perch. Make sure the holes are symmetrical. Next, take the toilet paper roll and cover it with peanut butter. Unfortunately, I only have crunchy peanut butter, so the peanut pieces will make it a bit uneven, but the birds will happily eat that too, so it's perfectly fine. If you don't have peanut butter, you can use honey, jam, margarine, butter, or anything edible that spreads easily. Once the roll is fully covered, gently roll it in the seeds, making sure they are evenly distributed. Press lightly with your hands so the seeds stick firmly. Now, take the string and thread it through the two opposite holes at the top, then tie a knot. Turn the roll around. Take 2 wooden skewers or 1 longer stick and cut it in half. Insert the sticks through the remaining 4 holes. And your bird feeder is ready to go and save our tiny feathered friends. Take it to a forest or a nearby park and hang it on a tree branch. The birds will quickly gather around it and enjoy their treat. Let me know in the comments how you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and useful ideas. Thank you for watching.